And today we'll be doing the Celebrity Smash or Pass Challenge, Jamaican edition. So we'll be raffling the names. Let's see what's first. Popcorn. Sorry, I'm not funny, but you're cute. You're kind of cute now. Cute now. Indeed, cute. Last one never did so cute, but no, you can't pop.
The popcorn is it?
Yeah. Cute now.
Okay. Yeah, I know. You're popcorn.
Alright, second one. Movado.
No.
No matter which one you have.
No.
The third one, Forex. Usain Bolt. Say him Usain Bolt.
Can't make up.
Alright,
What's your name?
Usain Bolt.
Pass. I'm gonna like him.
Nice,
I'm gonna like pass.
How can you not like Usain Bolt?
I love you, Usain Bolt. But
I like tall guys, but still fast.
and dark skin. I like brown in them.
Christopher Martin. I already passed you.
I'm sorry, you're cute about me.
I
Here you are.
already passed him.
So, pass my road too.
I'm not that far away.
Pass my road.
I don't know. You and Kim can get it.
Yeah.
You and Kim can get it.
You told me to ring. I'm sorry, Andy. Sorry, what are you asking?
I will have, oh,
3,000.
that will be a foursome. Or orgy. Family.
Come ready. Was something with the bad man there, huh?
Okay. Spice.
She's too rough.
She too big, me too small.
That's too rough, man. Rough boy.
So vibes cartel. Like, guys, I'm saying, but I like when I look. Like, alright, the black cartel could, but the bleach out, I'm gonna didn't buy.
Black or bleach?
Massacre. And you can't spell massacre.
I can't like big bad man.
She said something about the bad man them, alright? Alright.
She gonna be rough on the last time.
Dexter Daps.
Yeah, weak people in the morning.
No Dexter.
Whoa.
Have you decided to do one? Then you go Dexter. Damian Marley.
You don't even ask me 2 times.
Hit me up, babe. Hit me up. Touch fierce, hit me up. Something about him.
Is that what I mean on one?
Shensia. She's a mistress, Nana.
The bestest nana, no full stop, no comma. You coulda left me hanging even if I was a hanger.
Who is Bunty Man? Who is Bunty Man? Who is Bunty Man? Who is Bunty Man? That's going but far. I don't know when you're Bunty Man. No.
Bunty killer, sit there.
Alright, Bunty Killer. Okay. Alright. No. Gulliver. Like, they know Ochin B.
Yeah, there's a little product like that.
Quiet Perry. Alright.
Maybe you have to think twice. Alright. If White Perry did like me, he could have get smashed. But because he more like me, as in my type, I'm not about that life.
Okay. What's that egg? Like, promise to make you try to try.
No one no mix up man. Yeah. Yeah. Nope.
Oh, damn.
Mel make put the apps in the video here and cost not.
Alright. Anyways, next to the egg, I know really ignorant. But I've got look come after Aishana. I know planting. You're not planting. Aishana. Yeah, watch out. Party to go back and go ahead. Everything, yeah.
She cute and everything but
Bumper to your forehead.
bad. Wow bad. Okay, you love the bad, alright. And it takes a serious. What? Sean Paul. Back then Sean Paul could get but the current Sean Paul
Current, non-current, everything.
no, current Sean Paul that works me.
Yeah.
They were cute back then.
I'm so cute to me. Last time
Ninja man.
No!
Oops. I'm gonna get thin later than me now.
No, maybe no. Like, because that. Because you shop
Is
for
that
that.
Let me have to make a 10 minutes. Nothing to say.
What else is she going to pretend in there? That is?
Do I?
Ninja man.
Yeah, that she say.
Pretend in there?
You too?
Yes.
Hey, look for me. Hey, fat man.
Like, really? Like, I'll put that in there, man.
She's same one.
I'm going to do it too.
I'm gonna let us show. Conscience.
Definitely.
This one I did definitely.
This
This one I did definitely.
Like,
I'm not whining at you.
Come let me wine in a your way.
Chronics.
I like you, friend. I really do. I really do.
The song them nice, but you know the
Can't
songs. Come on, bang up my bed.
How is this? Me, man. Like,
Look at that.
no. No. Whoa.
Man says too much.
The best. But not
Something
for
boil.
no, not the best, but something
Something
boil.
boil.
Alkaline.
I like tall guys. Something boil. Not because
Look
of
at
pass.
reviews. Like
Vibe sparkle, but alkaline, you're weird. Something boil. Not something boil.
mother like.
Oh, the hell do you pass alkaline?
Cause the smell. Like no.
Something boil.
No.
Hit me up.
Hold on there, hold on there.
Sorry, I want to. The lips me is good. Lips me kill me and something boy. Drip me up. Like Maria Lewis and Emily. Drip up. OMG, the best for last.
Best for last, like tons of lads.
Hey, you heard me smash him door. I already passed it.
Oh god.
I already passed it. So that's it.
Guess we're done.
Anyways, that's it for our smash and pass. Like, subscribe, comment. Follow me on Instagram at